go left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and step to the right and 2 with 3 and 4, 5, 6 and a camel walk and a 1, 2 kick, 3 and 4, get ready for part B, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and camel walks 1, 2 kick 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 more part A, go left 1, 2, 3, 4 step touch, 6, 7, 8 half turn, 2, 3 and 4 stay up, repeat to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, your own choice, 5 and 6, down, up. Good. So the jazz box when you do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, touch. Restart. You will finish the dance facing the front, so when you will be done with your camel walks and your kick ball step, your own choice is about to go down the way you want to go down. Yeah?